it's me, Rifa, and today we are going to learn. Can you guess? Yes, you can guess, and that is plants around us, chapter 16. So let's start. Terms to know. Important terms. Terms to know. What terms we have to know? Roots. Parts of the plants that are usually grow under this ground and fix the plants into the soil are called roots. See, think this is a root. It is going. This is the plant, and it's going into the soil, and it's just taking the soil. It just means fixing the plant. If you don't have root, the plant will flow away easily. Leaves. Parts of the plants that make food for the plant. The leaves is the plants that make food for the plant. Stem. Part of the plant that provides support to the plant from which leaves, flowers, buds and branches grow. Stem, the part of the plant that provides support, and from that grows the leaf, bud, flower, after that branches. Flowers, parts of the plant which blossom from buds and produce fruit. Everyone knows flower produces fruit. Fruit, part of the plant that has seeds inside it. Fruit is the part of the plant that has seeds inside it. Seeds, plants, part of the plants which from new plants grow. Seed is the part of the plant from which new plants grow. Everyone knows when the seeds comes, the new plants grows. Trees, very big and tall and strong plants. Very big and tall and strong plants means trees. Trunk, a thick brown woody stem of a tree. A thick brown woody, this is the trunk. No, you saw a trunk. This is a thick brown woody, not green. I'm not drawing it. How can I get brown? Go to pink. And after that, yes. Dark brown, fully brown stem. This is called now shrubs, plants that are smaller than trees and have many thinny and woody stems. The plant that is smaller than trees, it's smaller than only trees and have many thin and woody stems, called shrubs. Herbs, very small plants which thin green and soft stems. With thin green and soft stems, plants are there. Climbers, plants with weak stems, very weak stems. They are very weak. Cannot stand straight on their own and need support of other plants, sticks, walls to grow. They want walls, now sticks. They all want this all. Then they cannot grow. Creepers, plants that have weak stems and thin branches and cannot go along the ground, usually bear big fruit, like pumpkins, strawberries, or they grow onto the ground. Aquatic plants, the plants that only grow from water. Here is a water thing here. This is a big pond and a lotus. A lotus came here. It's called an aquatic plant. Okay, so now we will go to the infographics. Parts of the plants and their functions. A part of the plant has many plants. Each part is important for the plant. Roots usually grow under the ground. They fix the plant on the soil. I told you this is the roots. See, this is the roots. Leaves makes food for the plant. I told you leaves that they make food for the plant. These are the leaves. Stems provide support on the plant. Leaves, flowers, buds and branches grow from it. And this is the stem. I told you all the definitions. Birds bloom from the flowers which produce these are the birds which produce flowers, and after that they produce food. So we are done. Now we will go to the special functions. Special functions of parts of the plants. Some of the parts of the plants change to do some special work. Some roots store food, for example carrot, radish and beetroot. Some roots store food. What the roots do? It stores food. Think that this is the root. Wait. I need space. Think this is the root. And from here, a carrot is hanging on. So the root stores food. and we get it from the roots. Next one, we will go to the some stems grow under the ground and store food. Some stems grow underground. This is an underground stem. It grows underground, and from that potato comes. For example, onion, ginger, and potato. Onion, ginger, and potato are underground stems. Some green stems prepare food for the plant. For example, cactus. For the plant, some green stems prepare food. Not the leaves, but the green stems. Suppose the cactus. Some leaves store food. For example, cabbage. I told you cabbage is a food, like cabbage and all that, all the lettuce and all that. Okay, it stores. It is a leaf and it stores food. Some leaves develop thread-like parts called tendrils and support the plant. For example, pea plant. It grows some tendrils and it supports the plant. For example, the pea plant. It's a climber, no? Supports the plant. Some leaves develop with thorns and protect the plant. For example, cactus. See, it protects the plant if anyone touches. The thorns will make on him means cry. So sharp and thorny. Trees, very big, tall, strong plants, thick, brown and woody stem are called trunk. I told you the trunk's definition. They have many branches that can bear leaves, flowers and fruits. There are many branches that can give flowers, that can give leaves, flowers and fruit. They have thick and strong roots that can hold them firmly into the ground. That can hold them. They are very strong roots that can hold them firmly. Banyan, mango and neem are the some examples of plants. Banyan, mango and neem are the some examples. Shrubs are smaller than trees and have many thin and woody stems. I told you the definition only. They are also called bushes. Rose, sunflower, hibiscus are some of the shrubs. Rose, sunflower and hibiscus are some of the shrubs. These are examples. Herbs are very small plants with thin and green soft stems. I told you only. They have a very short life and die after bearing flowers. After bearing flowers, they die. Very short life they have. Mint, coriander, grasses are some of the examples of herbs. Like mint, coriander, and grasses are some of the examples of herbs. Grasses die easily, right? Now, climbers are the plants with weak stems that cannot stand straight on their own. See, from a stick they can stand. They climb on other plants, sticks, walls to grow. I told you only. Money plant, pea, grapevine are some of the examples of climbers. See, money plant, grapevine are some of the examples of climbers. Let's go to the next one. Creepers have very weak stems and have thin branches. They grow along the ground and usually bear big fruit. Pumpkin and watermelon are some examples of it. They actually do big fruit, very big fruit. Okay, see, pumpkin so much big fruit, and they usually grow on the ground. Pumpkin and watermelon are some examples. Strawberry is also an example, and they usually bear big fruit. Why? Because they're thin and weak, and they can easily take the space on the land. Plants that grow in water. What do plants grow in water? Chapter is very long, so please concentrate. Plants that grow in water. Some plants grow only in water. Only in water some plants grow. They are called aquatic plants. They have long stem underwater. They have long stems underwater. See, lotus have long stems underwater. Their leaves float on water. I told you their leaves float. Lotus and water hygienic are some examples of it. Lotus and water hygienic is some aquatic plant. Water hygienic, what it comes, it is a like white flower, like lotus only a white flower, like that only. Okay. Now we will go to the next one, and that is how plants make food. Leaves of green plants called the kitchen of the plant because they make food for it. The leaves make food for for the plants. They make food with the help of air, sunlight and water. Sunlight, water and air. They make food. Prepare food. The stem carries and prepares food from the leaves to all the other parts of the plant. The stem carry from the leaves the food and give to the all parts of the plant. What is the process called of making food? Can you tell? Photosynthesis. Here is written PHOTO, photo, syn SYN, syn, THE, SIS, photosynthesis. So this was our video. Thank you for watching. Bye.